Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
6.3, 15 seconds to opening an existing Excel workbook. A lot of different options here when it comes to opening workbooks. You can open up one, you can open up many. I use the Explore feature that's listed in the bottom of your toolbar that shows all of your files. You have a lot of different options. You can use the file explorer method. You can use the open method within your Excel format. So you can hit File, Open. This is all Windows 2021. I use that application. I do not use OneDrive. I don't use Office 365. I do use OneDrive. I don't use Office 365, and I have a lot of reasons why. If you're collaborating, maybe it works for you. I find it very slow. I find it cumbersome. I find it doesn't work for me. It may work for you because you have to use it. And I tip my hat because I think it's a work in progress, and I don't want to pay a subscription. In opening, you have a lot of options. You can start at the workbooks. You can use your folders. You can go in and you can just hold your control key. And if you want to open up more than one, again, you're supposed to be able to hold down your control key and then highlight a number of workbooks that you want to open. Clearly, it's not working here. Folders, you can go in and navigate with your folders. You can browse, and there's just a quick glance of what I use. I use this because I can hit Control. I can hold the Control key, the Shift key, and I can open all of these. So by hitting Open, I can see I'm holding the Shift key and open, browse, add a place. You can go to OneDrive. You can hit Recent. This is your recent. You can pin these as to priority. I don't use this. I use this feature down here. But again, you can use this method to open up your files. To go back, just hit this arrow.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.